Replacing a door might seem like a straightforward home improvement task, but many homeowners in Scott discover that it's more complex than expected. From incorrect measurements to poor installation, even small mistakes can affect the final look, energy efficiency, and security of your home. To help ensure your project goes smoothly, here are the most common door replacement mistakes and how to avoid them. Skipping accurate measurements. One of the biggest errors homeowners make is failing to measure the door opening properly. A door that's even a fraction of an inch too large or small can cause drafts, alignment problems, or difficulty closing. It's not just about measuring the width and height, you also need to measure the door jamb, threshold, and the swing direction. If you're unsure how to take precise measurements, it's worth consulting a professional door installation expert in Scott. They can ensure your door fits perfectly, saving you the cost and frustration of ordering the wrong size. Choosing the wrong door type or material. Not all doors are created equal. Many homeowners choose a door based solely on appearance, overlooking its durability, insulation, and maintenance needs. For example, a wooden door may look elegant, but it requires more upkeep in humid environments. Meanwhile, steel or fiberglass doors offer better insulation and resistance to weather changes common in Scott's climate. Before buying, consider your home's architecture, energy efficiency goals, and local weather conditions. A knowledgeable installer can recommend the best options, ensuring your new door complements your home and lasts for years. Ignoring frame and structural issues. Installing a new door without checking the condition of the existing frame is a costly mistake. Over time, moisture, pests, or shifting foundations can warp or damage the frame, leading to poor alignment or gaps. If you replace only the door slab without repairing the frame, you might end up with air leaks or uneven sealing. Before installation, inspect the frame for rot, cracks, or warping. In some cases, replacing the entire pre-hung door and frame together, is a more effective solution for long-term stability and efficiency. De-installation. Without experience. While DIY door replacement may seem like a good way to save money, it often leads to uneven hinges, poor insulation, or damaged trim. Professional installers have the tools and skills to ensure a secure, weather-tight fit that meets building codes. Hiring an experienced door replacement contractor in Scott can save you from having to redo the project. They'll handle precise alignment, correct insulation placement, and proper sealing to maximize your door's performance and longevity. Overlooking energy efficiency. Energy efficiency is often overlooked during door replacement, but it plays a huge role in keeping your home comfortable and lowering energy bills. A poorly insulated door or improper installation can let drafts in and conditioned air out. When selecting a new door, look for Energy Star rated models and ensure proper weather stripping and sealing are installed. These small details make a big difference, especially in reducing heating and cooling costs throughout the year. Forgetting about style and function. Your front or patio door is more than just an entryway, it's part of your home's curb appeal. Many homeowners choose functionality over design or vice versa, forgetting to balance both. A well-chosen door should match your home's style while offering security and ease of use. Whether you're going for a modern glass design or a classic wooden entry door, make sure the style fits your home's aesthetic. Also, consider how the door opens, inward, outward, or sliding, to ensure it doesn't interfere with furniture or traffic flow. Neglecting regular maintenance. Even the best door installation can fail over time if maintenance is ignored. Hinges need lubrication, seals may need replacement, and finishes require care to prevent wear. Establishing a simple maintenance routine will extend the life of your door and keep it operating smoothly. Final thoughts. A successful door replacement in Scott depends on attention to detail, from accurate measurements to professional installation. Avoiding these common mistakes can save you time, money, and stress while ensuring your new door enhances your home's comfort, efficiency, and appeal. If you're planning a replacement soon, consider consulting a local door installation expert in Scott. With the right guidance, you'll have a beautiful, functional door that performs perfectly for years to come.